Now we are going to learn the practice set 1.4 in a chapter linear equation in two variable. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 मधील उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. First problem in a practice set 1.4. Question number 1. Solve the following simultaneous equation. First, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus y upon y is equal to 77. Given equation is a reducible in two variable linear equation. Therefore, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Give the name of equation, equation number 1. And equation number 2 is a 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, observe the variable is at denominator. Substitute, or we have to consider 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b in equation 1 and 2. Therefore, from equation 1, 2 multiply 1 upon x minus 3 multiply 1 upon y is equal to 15. 2 multiply a minus 3b is equal to 15. Hence, therefore, we get 2a minus 3b is equal to 15, equation number 3. Similarly, we get from equation 2, 8 multiply 1 upon x plus 5 multiply 1 upon y is equal to 77. Hence, therefore, 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. We get equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, observe the coefficient a and coefficient b. Equating the coefficient of a, in equation 3, coefficient of a is a 2. In equation 4, coefficient of a is a 8. Equation 3 multiple by 4, then we get equating coefficient of a. समीकरण 3 आणि 4 मध्ये a चा सहगुणक समान करण्यासाठी समीकरण 3 ला जर 4 ने गुणले तर समीकरण 3 आणि 4 मधील a चा सहगुणक समान होतो. Therefore, 4 multiply 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. 4 to the 8a minus 4 to the 12b is equal to 60. We get equation number 5. From equation 4 and 5, the coefficient of a is same, having same sign. Therefore, subtracting equation 4 and 5. Then we get 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 and 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Subtract these two equations, minus 8a minus multiply to minus 12b minus minus plus 12b is equal to minus plus is a minus 60. Therefore, plus 8a minus 8a get 0, plus 5b plus 12b is equal to 17b is equal to 77 minus 60 is equal to 17. 17 multiplied to b goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, b is equal to 17 upon 17 is equal to 1. 17 1s are 17. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 1. Substituting the value b is equal to 1 in equation 3. b ची किंमत समीकरण 3 मध्ये ठेवूया. Equation number 3 is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. b replaced by the value of 1. Hence, 2a minus 3 multiply 1 is equal to 15. 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. 2a is equal to 15 minus 3 goes on RHS side, then we get plus 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Therefore, 2a is equal to 18. 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. A is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 9s are 18. Therefore, a is equal to 9. Hence, we get the value of a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. Resubstitute the value of a and b. That is, a is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 1 upon x. Cross multiplication. x multiplied to 9, 9x is equal to 1. 9 goes on RHS side, then we get divide, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9. Similarly, b is equal to 1 upon y. The value of b is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1 upon y, therefore y is equal to 1. Hence, solution of given simultaneous equation or given equation are x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Problem number 2. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4 and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Solution of this problem: 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x plus y is equal to 4. We have to consider equation number 1, and second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. We have to consider, let 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. From equation 1, we can write this: 10 multiply 1 upon x plus y plus 2 multiply 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Then we get 10 into a plus 2 into b is equal to 4. Therefore, 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. We get equation number 3. Similarly, from equation 2, we can write 15 multiply 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiply 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y replaced by the value of a and b respectively. Then therefore, 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. We get equation number 4. From equation 3 and from equation 4, observe the coefficient of a and b in both equation. Therefore, multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2, then we get equating the coefficient b. b चा सहगुणक समान करण्यासाठी समीकरण 3 ला 5 ने आणि समीकरण 4 ला 2 ने गुणून. 5 multiply 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 10s are 50a plus 5 to the 10b is equal to 5 4 is 20. We get equation number 5. And to multiply 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. We get equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6, observe the coefficient of b is the same, having opposite sign. Adding equation 4 and 5 and 6. Adding equation 5 and 6. Therefore, 50a plus 10b is equal to 20 and 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Equation 5 and 4, this equation added. Plus 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Here plus 10b minus 10b get 0. 50a plus 30a is equal to 80a is equal to 20 minus 4 is equal to minus 60, is a plus 16. 80 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, a is equal to 16 upon 80. 16 5 is 80 is equal to 1 upon 5 is the value of a. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 5. Substituting the value a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 2 or 3. Here equation number 3 is a 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. The value of a is equal to 1 upon 5. 10 multiply 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 to the 10. 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. Plus 2 goes on RHS side, then we get minus 2b is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2b is equal to 2. The value of b is equal to 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. Then we get b is equal to 1. Hence, the value of a is equal to 1 upon 5 and b is equal to 1. Resubstituting the value of a and b. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon x plus a, 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus a, x plus y is equal to 5. We get equation number 7. And b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. The value of b is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1. We get equation number 8. From equation 7 and 8, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, this is a linear equation in two variable. Again, adding equation 7 and 8, then we get the value of x and y. Adding equation 7 and 8. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Adding these two equations, then we get plus y minus y get 0. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 2x. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Substitute the value x is equal to 3 in equation 7. Equation 7 is x plus y is equal to 5. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of a given equation. Problem number 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. First, give the name of equation. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, equation number 1. And 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89, equation number 2. We have to consider 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Then we get from equation 1, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Therefore, 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. We get equation number 3. From equation second, 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3, we get 31a plus 27b is equal to 89, equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, alternate the coefficient of a and b in equation first and in equation third and fourth respectively. Such equation to solve, first adding equation 3 and 4 and next subtract equation 3 and 4. Therefore, first adding equation 3 and 4, 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Adding these two equations, therefore 27 plus 31 is equal to 58a plus 58b is equal to sum of 85 plus 89 is 174. On LHS side, 58 take common. Therefore, 58 common in a bracket, a plus b is equal to 174. 58 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 1 upon 74 upon 58 is equal to 58. 3 is 174. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 3. This equation is equation number 5. Similarly, subtract equation 3 and 4. Subtracting equation 3 and 4, therefore 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Subtract these two equations, minus 31a minus plus minus 27b is equal to minus plus minus 89. 27 minus 31a is equal to minus 4a. Greater number is minus 31, has negative sign. Minus 31 plus 27 is equal to minus 4a. Here plus 31 minus 27b is equal to plus 4b. 85 minus 89, greater number has negative sign, therefore is equal to minus 4. On LHS side, every term contain the 4, minus 4 take common. Here is a minus 4 in bracket a minus plus minus a minus b is equal to minus 4. This minus 4 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. A minus b is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. 4 ones are 4 minus minus plus. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 1, equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6, adding equation 5 and 6, equation number 5 is a plus b is equal to 3, and from equation 6 is a minus b is equal to 1. Therefore, adding these two equation, plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus a is equal to 2a is equal to 3 plus 1 is the 4. 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, a is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 to the 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Substitute a is equal to 2 in equation 5. Equation number 5 is a plus b is equal to 3. Therefore, 2 plus b is equal to 3. 2 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 minus 2. B is equal to 1. Hence, we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Resubstitute the value of a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Resubstitute the value of a and b. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. The value of a is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Here x minus 2 multiplied 2. 2 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 1. Minus 4 goes on RHS side, then we get plus. 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. 2x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. And the value of b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. The value of b is equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Y plus 3 multiply 1. Then you get y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Hence, therefore, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Problem number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. And 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Observe the both given equation at denominator 3x plus y, 3x plus y, and 3x minus y, 3x minus y part is the same. Therefore, given first equation 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, equation number 1. And second is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y plus the minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y plus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, add denominator 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y, 1 upon 3x minus y. This part is the same. We have to consider 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. From equation 1, we can write 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Substituting 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. On RHS side, denominator of 4 goes on LHS side. Then we get 4 multiply a plus b is equal to 3. 4 multiply each and every term in the bracket. Therefore, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Equation number 3. From equation 2, 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, therefore a upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. On LHS side, denominator is same, take 1 times a minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This 2 at denominator goes on RHS side, then we get multiply. Therefore, a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 8 multiply 2. 2 4s are 8. Therefore, a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. This 4 at denominator on RHS side goes on LHS side, then we get multiply. 4 multiply a minus b is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. We get equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, the coefficient of b is the same, having opposite sign. Adding equation 3 and 4. Therefore, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Adding these two equations, then we get plus 4 minus 4 is a 0. 4a plus 4a is equal to 8a. Is equal to 3 minus 2 is a 2. Therefore, 8a is equal to 2. Hence, 8 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. A is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. The value of a is equal to 1 upon 4. Substituting the value a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. Equation 3 is a 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Therefore, the a is equal to 1 upon 4. 4 multiply 1 upon 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 get cancel. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 1 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. 4b is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, b is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Resubstituting the value of a and b. Therefore, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Cross multiplication, 3x plus y multiply 1 is equal to 4 multiply 1 is a 4. We get equation number 5. And b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Therefore, 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. It is also cross multiplication, 3x minus y is equal to 2. We get equation number 6. From equation 5 and 6, the coefficient of y is the same, having opposite sign. Adding equation 5 and 6. Therefore, 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2 plus y minus y get 0. 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 is a 6. 6x is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X is equal to 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Substitute the value x is equal to 1 in equation 7. Therefore, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Hence, x is equal to 1. 3 multiply 1 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of a given simultaneous equation.